We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words, some of the most mispronounced ones in fact in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Well, there are two quite different ways of pronouncing it, two main different ways in British English. It is said as longitudinal, long-gi-chu, yes, a chu sound, and you do want to stress on that chu syllable here, longitudinal. Now in American English it is generally said as longitudinal, so a proper T sound here, and a j sound rather than a g sound as the second syllable, so longitudinal in American English versus longitudinal in British English. Quite different, right? More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.